Hand Tool School Semester 4 is all about compound joinery and wood carving. Now these are pretty intimidating topics on their own, but they perfectly illustrate how fundamental hand tool skills can make difficult tasks seem that much easier. Good sawing and good chisel skills are key to success in this semester. Now, like all my semesters, we accomplish this with lessons, applied projects, and 2 final projects. Now, you can watch these videos as many times as you want, and you can watch them on any device or computer. And the cool part is once you've purchased a semester, your access never expires, so you can work at your own pace. There are 7 technique lessons in semester 4 and 2 applied projects. I start off with a trip around the world to discuss wood species that are well suited for hand tool work. Then it's time to tackle the compound joinery lessons, and I cover both compound angle tenons and compound angle dovetails. I cut both simple and compound angles in each joint, then apply the skills by building a little trapezoidal box with dovetail corners. Next, I slow it down and unfurl the carving roll to begin wood carving. This lesson covers the tools and dives deep into 3 separate carving exercises that introduce you to 3 types of carving operations common in just about anything you want to carve. I revisit resawing, but this time we build a dedicated monster frame saw, like the ones found in the 18th century. This saw has changed the way I resaw, the lumber I buy, and the projects I take on. And the lesson covers everything from the techniques to filing and sharpening the monster teeth of this saw. Finally, I reach for my hollow and round planes and make the rule joint, which is the integral part of any drop leaf style table. There are 2 final projects in this semester that, as usual, apply all the new techniques, but also leave you with beautiful testaments to the skills you've learned. I started out to build a really cool toolbox that would apply our knowledge of compound dovetails. I think I succeeded in that, but also threw in some relief carving to spice it up, added some great features that make it not just a toolbox, but what I'd like to call my mobile workbench, complete with a heavy-duty top and a slick front vise. The drop leaf table is a project I'm especially proud of. Certainly we get to apply our knowledge of compound tenons and rule joints, but I also used the new resaw to create a 3-way book match from a 24-inch wide slab of walnut. Not content with that, I throw in some butterfly splines, a carved drawer front for a compound dovetail drawer I might add, and finally, some really cool sculpted edges to make a truly beautiful table. Other than the gouges required for the carving elements of this semester, the only new tools we need are the ones we build ourselves. So take a look at the Semester 4 toolkit. You will see 6 to 9 carving gouges that serve as a great introductory set. You'll also find that you can use that set for some time to come without needing any new sizes or profiles. All told, there are 27 videos with more than 35 hours of woodworking instruction that will introduce you to wood carving, tame your fear of compound angles, and teach you to build a monster resaw that will change the way you work, change how you buy lumber, and will make the trees on your block quake with fear.